Hey YouTubers, morning. It's Robb's Homemade Life. What we got going on today is another one of our little crock pot, or excuse me, rice cooker gadget recipes. I wanted to make some tortillas and I didn't have any beans, I had pork and beans. You know what, let's see if we could fancify these pork and beans and add some sausages and other ingredients, and then we'll add it to the tortillas with some little bit of rice that we already pre-made and a little sauerkraut on top. Make a little, like a little roll with the pork sausage in the middle with some ingredients on the outside, and nice and flavorful. I'm going to make these pork and beans as tasty as it is possible on here on planet Earth. Let's go ahead and add 4 sausages and any rest of the ingredients.
Bill Randall's 650, Dorothy S. Ma'am, the Axelwide and Peppermint Endurance Company in Bashful Johnny C., home of the grand old conglomeration, Fanny Hill University, and the bathtub of the South. It's 7:30.
Okay, I added 5 for good luck, an extra one, a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of onion flakes, not too many, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, and some good old parsley, which is a superfood. Then we're going to add some water and a little bit of wine. We're using Walmart's premium oak leaf Cabernet. $4 a pop. This container is a half a cup. We're adding about a quarter cup. The rest is going to be water. Pour it in the wine and the water. And I forgot something. What did I forget? I always forget one thing. Oh, I forgot the brown sugar. Okay, I added 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And we're going to add on top some shredded cabbage. Let's add a tiny bit of red pepper flake. Okay, that's about a cup of shredded cabbage. Here we go. Come back later and we'll add the pork and beans when it's done. Okay, it's finished. Let's see what we got. Okay, remove Mr. Cabbage. Out to go. Plumped up sausages. Put in the cheap can of pork and beans. We're not going to cook this again. We're just going to let it heat up and absorb the flavors. The sausages are going to go on the tortilla with some cheese and the cabbage, and we'll have the beans on the rice. Come back later for lunch. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody else, this is our delicious sausages with our fancy pants beans. Made a little rice and beans, and then we got a tortilla going here with cheese and that steamed cabbage, the sausage, a little bit of beans, and this is going to be our lunch. Can I do this one-handed? You know what, this would really taste even better if I put it in the rice cooker and steamed it. But let's see what it tastes like. Nice flavor. It needs to be warmed up. Yeah, put this in a steamer. That would be wild. Okay, guys. Very inexpensive lunch. I think it's going to be a good one. Hope this helpful. And you guys get out your rice cooker and do some fun experiments in the kitchen. I'm talking with my mouth full. All right, guys. See you out there. Mm-hmm.